Hey everyone, so we're here at Oxmoor Chrysler. Now we're in the 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Limited. I have Benjamin Berry here with us, and he's actually going to be demonstrating how this vehicle can parallel and perpendicular park itself. So Ben, if you want to start us off.
Yeah, absolutely. So we're right next door at the mall here. To turn on the parallel and perpendicular park assist, you're going to press this button right here. And what's going to happen is the screen in front of me, the instrument cluster, is now saying active park sense searching. Press OK for perpendicular, which is what we're going to be doing. So I'm going to press OK on the steering wheel here. And now I'm just going to drive forward, and all the sensors on this vehicle are trying to pick up an open spot. So we're hoping this spot right here will be perfect for it. So I'm not driving very fast, about 7 miles per hour right now. It says space found. Stop and remove hands from wheel. So I'm not going to be touching the steering wheel at all. It's telling me to shift to reverse. Now I'm going to be moving backward. And again, the vehicle itself is going to be doing the steering. All I'm doing is controlling the acceleration and the brake on the vehicle. This vehicle does have brake assist on it, so were I about to hit another vehicle, the brake assist will kick in and automatically brake for me. So now the instrument clusters tell me to stop and to switch to drive, wait for steering to complete, and move forward. So all I have to do is just follow the directions on the instrument cluster. It says to stop, shift to reverse again, wait for steering to complete, and move backwards. You can see on the backup camera there that it's just trying to even itself out. We're almost there. Alright, and that's it. And so that works with both perpendicular parking like we just did, as well as parallel parking as well. And as you can see, we're perfectly in line with the two cars on either side of us. So.
Yeah, that is incredible. Thank you so much. I got a little scared a little bit because I'm like, woo! But no, that is absolutely awesome. Thank you so much for showing us that. All right, you guys, if you have any questions on any vehicle here at Oxmoor Chrysler, please feel free to let us know. Now, you can always give us a call. The best phone number is 502-895-4520. You can also visit our website, oxmoorchrysler.com, and I'll have a link to this specific one that we're in right now in the comments below. So thanks you guys for watching, and hopefully this helped you out. Bye.